everyone. Now today we will start a new chapter of class 6, that is computer language. So before starting with the chapter computer language, let's have a brief look at what is computer. So what is computer? Computer, it is an electronic machine which can process the raw data into meaningful information. So the chapter name is computer language. Let's see the brief introduction of computer language. So the first point is, it is a programming language, or a programming language is a vocabulary and a set of grammatical rules for instructing a computer or a computer device to perform a specific task. Or second, consider a language required to communicate with computer. So we can understand these 2 points but in the simple way, like all human beings requires a language in order to communicate with each other. In the same manner, a language is required to communicate with computer. So there are various computer languages for many purposes. Understood what is the meaning of computer language or why it is used? So some of the computer languages we will study in the upcoming video. So the first one is machine language. So the first computer language we will study, that is machine language. Machine language was used in earlier computers and contained digits 0 and 1 only. So that is the machine language. Let's see the brief. All the instructions were made up of combination of 0 and 1, as we already told you, which was quite difficult for operator to learn and understand. To minimize this problem, assembly language was developed. Now the next language is assembly language. So what is assembly language? Assembly language simplified the hectic process of writing program using mnemonic codes and symbolic addresses. Generally, the assembly language are written in modules and put together for the final run. The computer manufacturers provide different software to convert assembly language into machine language programs. Now, the time required to write these assembly language programs was much higher, and these programs had limited access as they were specific for different processor. So that's all is there in assembly language. Let's move towards the high level language. That what is high level language? High level language is used in modern computer to write program using basic English language words that are converted into machine language by a compiler or interpreter. That's all is there in the high level languages. Let's see the advantages of high level language. Advantages of high level languages are as follow. First one, commands are written in simple English language. Second, knowledge of hardware and binary arithmetic is not required. Means high level language is quite easy, in which we can use the programming by in English simple English language, and binary arithmetic, that is 0 and 1, is not required, and the knowledge of hardware is also not required for high level language. Programs are not restricted to a particular machine only. Program requires less time and effort in creation. That's all is there in high level languages. Now one important point I am telling you, that is assembler. That what is assembler? Assembler are software program used to translate assembly language program into machine language, that is assembler. Next thing in high level languages or computer languages is translator. Translator plays a